Flood insurance on a budget. It's not as hard as you think. And today we're going to walk you through how to get flood insurance on a budget so that you can be protected in short term and long term. So stay tuned. So today we're talking about getting flood insurance on a budget. It's not as hard as you think it is. You know, it seems that this big fear has been built up across the United States that flood insurance is $3,000. Obtaining flood insurance is extremely difficult and confusing. Sure, it can be confusing in certain situations. It can be complicated. I mean, it can even be frustrating if you don't know the right process or you're not working with the right company or the right individual. So how do you get flood insurance on a budget? Well, it's pretty simple. The first thing you want to take a look at is, what is the flood risk score on your property? Now, this is generally a scoring system from 1 to 100 on the chances of it flooding. This can have a big impact on whether it's going to be budget friendly or not. Usually, the closer you are to 100, generally the higher your premiums are going to be. The next thing is you need to know is you need to look at private flood insurance and the National Flood Insurance Program. You want to look at both of these options to make sure these are both on the table for you. Now, just because you get a proposal from one flood insurance company doesn't mean it's the same with another one. So when you're out there searching for flood insurance, you want to work with a company that has multiple options when it comes to private flood insurance. Next thing is going to be deductibles. You know, you want to pick a deductible you feel comfortable with, but remember, when it comes to flood insurance, you're generally not going to be filing a claim like you would with a home insurance policy or an auto insurance policy when it comes to frequency. So you probably could go with a higher deductible. You just want to make sure you have that higher deductible in the bank. Now, the next thing, is coverages. When we're talking about budget friendly, you want to make sure you have enough coverages available that are going to replace your property, because if you don't have enough coverage, this really could break your budget during claims time. So if you're ready to take the next steps of getting flood insurance on a budget, it's easy. 3 simple steps. Step 1, fill out the form. Step 2, receive customized flood insurance proposals from us. And step 3, pick the plan that best fits your needs. If you want to learn more about flood insurance and what you need to know before purchasing flood insurance, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. My name is Chris Green, President and owner of the Flood Insurance Guru. Thank you.